You know, I look for beauty all over the place. Whether that be here, yeah, there, or even here. I even climbed almost 7,000 feet just to ask people what they thought beauty was.
Yes, it's going now.
The question is, what is beauty?
I think it's something that makes you want to wake up the next morning, something that keeps you going.
Eye of the beholder. For me, it's a nice sunrise or sunset, though, in the mountains or the ocean.
I think sometimes we think that beauty can't be close, though. That we have to travel far or go to exotic places to really experience beauty. Which is why I look for the most beautiful spot in my very own state.
Hocking Hills is the state park with the third most Instagram posts. If you're looking for things to do this autumn, Ohio's Crown Jewel has a lot to offer.
Spectacular is probably not overstating it.
The objective is fairly simple. Although it's a long hike, there's a waterfall deep within Hocking Hills that I consider to be one of the most beautiful places on this earth. Getting there, of course, is a lot easier said than done. You know, I really could have cut a lot of this travel out. It's a bit of a long hike, but in reality, I kind of like leaving it in because I feel like it speaks to enjoying the journey, not just the destination.
Okay, good. Don't worry about it.
All right.
Just walk across the entire mountain. I know it's weird.
No, you're good. I get it.
Hopefully I can inspire more people to get out here. That's the idea, you know?
Oh yeah.
You see my worst enemy. Stairs. But it's okay. A lot of times you have to go up to see the view. Now technically you're supposed to go that way, but looking behind me, you can go that way. So definitely gonna try going that way. I think this is probably just this rock up here, if I'm gonna guess. But you never know. Let's see what we got going on up here. Ooh. Oh yeah. On top of the world right here, baby. On top of the world.
Distance and all that trouble just for this, and somehow sitting right there, it's all really worth it. I think beauty can be many things, but beauty is not as an excuse. This is only like 45 minutes away from my house in my own state, and I am positive there's somewhere beautiful that you can go to. So, get out there and explore. Find beauty for yourself. And as for me, well, I'll see you guys in the next one.